Hey everyone, Trev here, and today we're going to install this CORSA exhaust system on our 19 Tacoma. And I'm excited about this system because there's one thing that I don't like about exhaust. Okay, it's the drone in the cab, right? Everybody likes the aggressive sound that comes with an aftermarket flow-through system. But then when you jump in the cab with your friends and you're going somewhere, you're cruising down the highway and you get to that RPM zone, and you can't hear what anyone's saying because of the drone in the cab. So that's why I'm excited for this CORSA system. CORSA, they have what they call RSC Technology, which stands for Reflective Sound Cancellation. So when the exhaust is flowing through this muffler, it cancels out those annoying frequencies and sounds to get rid of that drone in the cab. And they guarantee that you'll have no drone in the cab. So when you go on those trips with your friends, you not only have the aggressive sound that you want, but you don't have that drone in the cab to keep you from having that conversation. So we're excited to go ahead and install this system on our Tacoma. We'll get with it. We'll show you the differences between the factory system and this system, so you can kind of see what the difference is. And then we'll also do some sound checks as well. So we'll go ahead and install that now.